Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to transfer crypto with a Binance ID in the Binance exchange. For that, first you need to open the Binance exchange. Then an interface like this will appear in front of you. First of all, you need to click on assets here, then you need to click on send here. Then again, you have to click on one chain order here. Then you will see an interface like this. First you need to search here for the coin you want to transfer. So here we will search for USDT. Then you can see USDT has appeared here. Click on it, then you have to click on send via email phone ID. After that you have to enter the ID you want to transfer to Binance ID. So here I am providing an ID where I will transfer. Then you will have to click here and enter the amount. The amount you want to transfer, I'm putting X dollars here. Then you have to click on send. After that, an OTP will come to the email linked with Binance and you have to confirm it with that OTP. Then you will on Binance. You can transfer using the ID. If you like our video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this.